Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2021 GLA 250 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 221 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 18-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Front and rear LED daytime running lights. Black MB Tex interior. Comes around back. GLA 250 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. Set of all-season regular floor mats. This one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, ambient lighting, heated seats, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, push start ignition, paddle shifters for extra performance, a touchscreen media display, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, USB port, touchpad for infotainment center, dynamic select for different driving patterns. This GLA has 3,932 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLA 250 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.